Again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anything. I'm always doing recipe like ackee and you know what I mean, ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling. But today I want to do some ackee. I have some ackee right here. You can use a fresh ackee, you can use a tin one, whatever you want you like to use. But I have some right here which I'm been draining at the moment. And you know what happened? Earlier I fried some breadfruit and fried dumpling. Yeah, the video is coming for that on my YouTube channel. And I have a medium-sized pan right here which I'm starting to get warm at the moment. I'm gonna put that one side. What I'm going to do is pop a little bit of oil inside of my frying pan, just like this, roughly about 2 tablespoons of oil in the frying pan. So this is getting hot. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to introduce you to the Jamaican Valley vegetable vegan seasoning. I'm going to put a little bit of it also inside of my vegetarian ackee right here what I'm making. Alright, so first thing, as I say, you can get ackee to buy at any local shop or supermarket, or you know what I mean, wherever you way on the street you can get to buy. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to get a clove of garlic. Very important. I'm going to be crushing the garlic. If you have a garlic crusher, it is better for you to use. Alright guys, so that's the garlic. Alright, we're going to cut up the garlic just like this. We have a medium-sized white onion, and all I'm going to do is just take off a little piece of the white onion. And I'm going to cut it up very finely. So that's the white onion right there. I have a piece of a red pepper, and I'm going to put this in it also. But I'm going to cut them all in one. Just finely cut them, not too thick. Alright, and then we have green pepper. We're going to cut off a little piece of the green pepper. And we're going to cut it up really finely like this. That's going to bring in a lovely flavor to it also. We got yellow pepper. Just going to cut off a little piece of the yellow pepper. I love my vegetables, guys. I'm always cooking with a lot of vegetable in my videos, and you can see the amount of vegetable which I use every time. Also, we got spring onion. I'm gonna put a piece of spring onion. And I have some fresh thyme. I'm gonna use some fresh thyme also inside of it. Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. We got also tomato. We're gonna use half of the tomato. Not gonna be using a lot. Guys, listen. This is lovely and nice. All right. You know what happened? I need you guys to see exactly what's going on right in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Alright, I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer, make you guys can see. Alright, it's beautiful, nice. You know what I mean? We got the ackee and the vegetables, amazing. And you guys gonna love this one with some breadfruit and fried dumpling. I make it earlier. What I'm going to do is to pop back this in my oven, make it keep warm in the meantime. Alright, nice. So what we're going to do, this is all of my vegetables I just cut up. I'm gonna pop everything inside of the frying pan. This Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright. We're going to fry that vegetables in for roughly about 6 to 7 minutes on a medium size heat. as you can see. This looking lovely. Then next what we're going to do is put a little bit of pepper. This is some cracked pepper I have right here. Not too much. A little bit of dry chili. The Jamaican Valley vegan season, I'm going to be using that one. I'm going to put roughly about half teaspoon. Give it a stir. Next what we're going to do, scrap just a little bit of salt. It's looking lovely and nice. As you can see, the way it looks so good. Nice. I'm going to put the ackee. Alright, because the ackee, you don't want to overcook nothing inside of it. So you know, pour it in. Alright. Alright, turn on a medium size heat. Allow it for it to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. 6 to 7 or 10 seconds at least. You don't want to overcook it and make it get mashed up. Nice. So this is finished. Turn off my stove and I'm gonna shear it up now. Alright guys, that's finished. Nice. So ackee finish, and all you have to do is this. Very easy and simple. Alright, nothing is complicating of making this at home, guys. It's very easy, straightforward and simple. Alright, look at that. This is so beautiful and nice. And all I have to do is just simple. Just garnish it with a little bit of spring onion and thing. You know? Look at that. Guys, look at this. Take a good look. This is fried breadfruit and fried dumpling with the ackee. It's a vegan dish also. Some vegan doesn't have salt, some do have salt. But as I said, look at the dish. Vegetarian, you're welcome. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming. My name is Chef Ricardo, and as you can see, this is amazing recipe, guys. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. We'll be with a lot more recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.